Okay, where did it go?
I don't know.
Just keep walking, and then when we get out, or on the way out, you can look. Hurry up, your sister has to go to the bathroom. You kick me in the butt.
Hey.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, if you see any on the way out. Oh, see, like right there, right there, hanging out. Right there. Keep going. Yep. Yep. Go get it. Put them in there so they don't fall. Alright. Oh. Okay. I think that's. You come over here, Sakura? You have one for me? Thank you.
Right here?
Oh, buddy. Pick it up, don't move. Yep. And then after that one?
Here?
After that one, let's just go. Let's walk now. Okay, I have no more room.
Okay. Go, 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 go.
Find one for you to eat.
My one? I saw them over there.
Go right there.
Here?
Is that a good one? No. Keep going. Right there.
Here?
Oh yeah, that works. Oh man, I dropped one, Amy.
Don't move. Oh, this is
It's dirty because I dropped it. No?
damaged.
Oh, you'll put it over there.
Which one was that one I
Down here,
put
under.
on?
Under.
In here?
No, behind you. Oh. Under, right by your knee, Amy. Your right knee. Right here.
Here? Oh, here?
Yeah. Sakura, Neichan will get it. Go to mommy, Sakura. We're going now. Go to mommy. No, mommy, go the other way.
This one for the bucket, one for me.
Okay.
Whoa.
Oh, I dropped three of them. You're stepping on one. Come on.
I'll hold these.
Okay, you do that.
Just eat one. We have so many.
Oh, Amy. Oh, I know. I can't balance with one end though. Come on, oh, you got it. Let me get out there. You can put it back in.
We can take many more from this road. They have a lot down. Whoa, still waiting for us.
No.